Hey guys, today I want to show you these 4th of July themed necklaces. They have red, white, and these silver with these charms on them. And I'm going to go right into it and just show you what comes inside. So these are all of the necklace displayed out. It comes with the 3 different colors, and then some of them have charms at the end, like a flag, we have a star, we have a hat, and each color comes with one of the same design. So like right here we have the American flag, we have one here, and then here. So I'm going to just show you some of the designs. So it comes with each color with one with a star, one with stars as the necklace. It has just normal ones with these disco balls, one with a hat, another one with just a regular, a flag, another regular, and then it comes with one with stars and the American flag, so every color has the same. So if you're looking for a fun and cute way to show pride and celebrate 4th of July, then I would definitely recommend getting this set.